Websites are a collection of different files saved onto a cloud computer, which can be accessed only when the user knows the address to that website and is having an internet connection. On the other hand, applications are just APK files downloaded onto the hard disk of a computer and can be accessed at any time, even if the user is not connected to the internet. You have wondered how to convert a website into an application so that you can access its content if you are not connected to the internet. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert a website into an application on a Windows computer. For this tutorial, I will be using a Windows 11 PC. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so, and let's get into business. First things first, make sure you are connected to the internet and you have your internet browser opened with the desired website you want to convert. One quick disclaimer before we continue is that not all websites can be converted into an application. So if you are following along with this tutorial and it does not work for you, it does not mean I have made a mistake or you have, but it is the website that does not allow for it to be converted. Move to the website you want to convert into the application. I am currently logged into the website of a popular internet service provider here in Ghana known as Vodafone. If you are in Ghana and you want to access Vodafone's website, it is simple by just inputting the address of the website into the address bar, which is www.vodafone.com.gh to access the website. Now, to convert the website into an application, move to the right side of the address bar where we have some of the options. The first option, which is a computer and an arrow, is the command we would be using to convert the website. So just click on the option to open this prompt with the install button. Just click on the install button to convert the website into an application. Clicking on install would open this new page, but just close it and minimize the internet browser. Now, amongst the icons on my desktop, you can see the Vodafone application, which was originally a website. When you open it, the home page of the Vodafone website would pop up. So that is basically how you can convert a website into an application. Other websites you can convert include facebook.com, tiktok.com, whatsapp.web.com, etc., etc. Did you know you can extract an image from a video on your Windows PC? If you want to know how, I will leave the video on the end cards so you check it out. Like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so, and see you next time.